Okay, there are three environments I use to teach kids to start learning AI and data science. Um, and one of the criteria I use is that all those environments have to be online, hosted, or on the cloud. It has to be online, hosted, or on the cloud. And the reason why I need that is it's much easier to collaborate when it's all online. There's no setup required for the kids, and they can straight jump into coding. So Jupyter is an environment I use for data science. repl.it is an environment I use for concepts and training and a little bit of gamification. Scratch is another very famous tool used by a lot of kids to learn concepts and loops and all that stuff, right? So these three environments and the tools I use are for Jupyter, for example, is Microsoft Azure Notebooks. So if you can see this, I use Microsoft Azure. Let me see if you can scroll here further. Yeah, there you go, notebooks.azure.com. Just go there, notebooks.azure.com. You can sign in on the right-hand side. Basically, if you have a Skype email or you have a Microsoft ID, you can just easily sign in or create a new account. Okay, so if you sign in, it'll ask you to. I'm already signed in, so I have an account, so I can go to my projects and I can start working on my uh, programs, right? So in this case, I have the simple random example, but that's one environment you can use. Let me close that for now. And going back to the other environment, which is repl.it, another hosted environment. Again, it has you can create folders, you can create a Python with Turtle, another package I use for training for games and everything. It's just a plain Python environment. Again, pretty straightforward, nothing much to do here other than the fact that you can, I'll just show you how this works. So this is your landing page, repl.it. You can sign up. When you sign up, you can use a Google password, sorry, Google login, GitHub. Typically, your kids don't have a GitHub account or a Facebook account, right? So I would highly recommend your kids having a Google account for this training session. So that's a prerequisite. Again, three environments I would like you guys to create an account for. One was notebooks.azure.com for Jupyter, repl.it, and the third one is Scratch, just for them to get used to it, scratch.mit.edu. Right? So three things. I will put those notes again at the end of this video. So you will see three environments, the notebook environment for Jupyter from Azure, repl.it, and scratch mit.edu. Also create a Google account because it's useful for us to exchange notes back and forth. Thank you.